There are things in life that we can control, and there are other things that we sometimes we feel out of our control. And we are faced with those things, we get a sense of helpless. It's perfectly normal to feel helpless when the matter itself is beyond our control. However, Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu tells us who is really helpless. Who is a truly helpless person? Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu tells, Al-ajizu man ajaza an siyasati nafsihi. The truly helpless and incapable person is not the one who can control the things around them, the world around them, and all of the people around them. That's not the truly helpless person. The truly helpless is the one who cannot even control themselves, who cannot manage themselves, who cannot regulate their own behavior, who cannot get a grip on their own decision, who cannot get a grip on their own behavior. This is the helpless person. According to the concept of positive psychology, there are two distinct areas: the area of concern and the area of influence. The area of concern refers to the matters, situations, and issues that we may worry about, but we don't possess the direct power and authority to change. We can control those situations, they are beyond our immediate control. On the other hand, the area of influence encompasses those aspects of our lives where we do not have the capability to make a difference. This includes areas where we have control, the leverage of power, and the authority to bring about change. So you see, we are not necessarily responsible for controlling all of the constantly changing and shifting circumstances in the world around us, nor we are completely responsible for regulating the behavior of the people around us, but we are responsible and accountable for regulating our own behavior, our own decision making process, our own thought process. A person who cannot do that can't even help himself, and therefore they are truly helpless. May Allah open up for all of us the doors of wisdom and help us follow the right path.